This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Brian Sadler. New roof is being installed. Come see this amazing water view home inside the beautiful neighborhood of Pebble Creek in New Tampa, Florida. This impeccably maintained, well-built home offers a serene ambience with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, and a 2-car garage. The spacious master suite is a personal getaway with a spacious shower, garden tub, dual vanities, and a large walk-in closet. This professionally designed floor plan has all of the amenities, including an open-space kitchen that comes fully equipped with bar-style counters, a spacious eat-in kitchen, wood cabinets, pantry design, plenty of storage, granite countertops. This kitchen takes entertaining to a whole new level. Fully equipped with like-new appliances, the home comes with upgraded hard oak wood flooring, custom draperies, custom bamboo shades, and the guest bathroom was professionally remodeled. Come home to a welcoming screen in lanai with a heated pool, water fountain, and a pool heater. The outdoor lanai and kitchen area takes outdoor entertaining to the next level with tile flooring with upgraded ceiling fans, bar sink, and fridge. This single-family residence is 1,987 square feet of living space and is where functionality meets style for everyday living. The oversized garage was upgraded with laminate flooring and custom cabinets and offers a security timer on the garage door which closes automatically if accidentally left opened. The air conditioner unit is 4 years old. The Pebble Creek neighborhood is close to shopping, restaurants, easy access to I-75, and is located near some of the best schools in New Tampa. Please email all offers using the Florida as is residential contract for sale and purchase. For more information, review the details below or contact Brian Sadler at 813-638-4970.